Let's start with the OBS application, known as Open Broadcaster Software. It is a free cross-platform streaming solution. It's especially popular with the gaming community. It allows for easy distribution to Twitch, Facebook, or YouTube. OBS is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. It has a large active community and following. There's always new features being added in. It has the ability to also do local recordings, and you can set it up with FFmpeg and a variety of other codecs. So what we're going to do is we've already preset two of the channels. We've got our Bannister LRAP here. I've actually got the browser set up, and I've got a local clip running, or demo reel, as a media source, as a background layer. I've also got esports here defined as a scene. So we've got two separate layers now. Now I want to add the traffic cameras, the Vision. So what I'll do is I'll click on the Add Scene button down here. And this is where we enter in the scene name. So we'll give the scene a name here. We'll call it Vision. We'll click OK. Now once that's defined, the scene name is defined, we have to define a source. So we'll click the plus button here. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the browser as a source. So create new browser 3 source. We'll make sure it's visible when we added it. We'll just click OK. Now what that does is it brings up a default window for the preview. So in here we're going to put in our channel name, the width, and the height of the show. So to grab the new channel, we'll go back to the player. We'll look on Vision. We'll copy the endpoint, which is down here. Copy the URL, minimize that. We'll paste the URL into the URL window there. This is full HD, so we're gonna define the width and the height. We click OK. The OBS will do now, it's defined the screen. It will start rendering it. You can add other layers here if you want and hide them, or we can make that less visible. We want to keep them all on, and we can toggle through just by selecting the scenes individually. So now we have our 3 channels, the LRAP, the esports, and the Vision, all defined within OBS. Once you defined all your sources, you can go into settings. You can start streaming to a predefined service like Twitch or Facebook. There's a variety of the streaming services and accounts you can stream to. Or you can start recording locally. You can do both streaming and local recording concurrently with OBS.